Hi guys, in this video we're going to take you on a tour of the apartment, and at the end I'll tell you just how much it costs. It is ridiculous. In order to unlock the door, use your thumbprint. It sounds handy until it locks you out. So here we are, let's take a first look at the apartment. It's actually tidy for a change. Wow. Pretty nice, isn't it? The apartment in total has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it comes finished, fully finished. The kitchen is, albeit, pretty small. But, yeah, we cook on gas here. We don't have an oven. Most Chinese kitchens don't have an oven. So we use an air fryer. You can just buy an oven, I guess, but that's the kitchen. Not much to see there. And yeah, the kitchen kind of sucks, if I'm honest. Now, the living room, obviously. Most important thing to note is the dumpling. We have a dumpling. And also some capybaras, which are very cool. We did have to almost fight the landlord a little bit, if I'm honest, to get a nice sofa and a nice TV, which we don't even really use. But whatever, it was worth the hassle, I guess, right? We got quite a lot of storage space here. All of these are cupboards, obviously, with lots of junk in them. Yeah, a couple of shelves there, nice table. It's pretty cool. It is definitely worth the money. Let's go, fellas will know what I'm talking about. Let's go to where the magic happens, the toilet. So after a heavy night on the spicy food, it's where you can let your demons out. And if you come here, we can take a quick selfie in the mirror. Ooh, trendy. Yes, very good. So this is the bathroom. This is where bad things happen. At least for me anyways. Now, the first bedroom, the one that we're actually living in, we of course don't need 3 bedrooms because there's only 2 of us. And believe it or not, we sleep together. Ooh. This is our bedroom with, of course, you've got Bunny and Wow, and you've got some crocodiles, which is very cool. And what we like to do is, because we're pretty much just like, you know, delinquents, voila, and I will play my video games on here because I'm a 37-year-old child. You get these cupboards here, massive. Oh, let me show you. It's where your snacks are, is it? Yeah. Very big cupboards. And apparently there are a bunch of snacks in here. Oh, there are snacks in here. Very good. But yeah, it's pretty cool in it. You got your nice little bedside sort of shelf thing here. Let's turn around and go to the balcony. Oh yeah, and this is a heater here because it gets cold here. It just gets cold. And we also have mosquitoes in the middle of January because God hates us. And this thing, I guess, is to stop it from slamming. Yeah. What's in here?
AC.
The AC thing, yeah. So if you don't kind of keep it shut like this, it'll just kind of bang, bang, and you'll hear it throughout the house. Obviously, this is the balcony area. I guess it's a balcony. It's not a balcony, is it? Because it's not outside. Kind of? Yeah, I don't know what you'd call it, man. Balcony, it'll do. Of course, we dry our clothes here. The washing machines in China, they all have the top where you put the clothes in, basically. So, yeah, that's that. I prefer it that way, to be honest with you. Now, this is one of the bedrooms that we don't really use very much. It's the tatami room. Yeah, I guess use it as an office. So you can see here, I've got a capybara mouse pad, which is very cool. And yeah, this is where I do my homework and things like that. You've got all these big cupboards and things. Again, wow. And they go right down to the bottom. It's called a tatami room. A tatami room. Again, cupboards, more drawers under here. So there's quite a lot of storage space. And you get these big old sort of windowsills, which is quite nice. But yeah, we don't actually use this room other than working. Look at me saving electricity, turning the lights off. This is the next bathroom, of course. This is her bathroom. Right, yeah. It's not quite as smelly in this one, is it? I don't know, like...
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean, yeah. Got to remember, fellas, women don't poop, do they? So, This is the next bedroom. Again, you've got these really big, like floor-to-wall cupboards. Plenty of storage space in them. And we don't really do anything with this room except put clothes in it, and you get loads of space. It is pretty cool. And let's go on to, wait, is that everything? I think that's everything, you know. Is there anything else I can talk about this place? I can tell the wonderful folks out there about the price. Now this is, as you see, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully furnished, modern, clean, except a little bit cold. But the AC, well, the electricity here in China is not expensive. You could probably spend about £30, $45 a month and have the heating on, the AC, running pretty much as you want. It'll not get cold. So the price for this is $250 per month, about 185 pounds per month, or in Chinese RMB is 1,700 per month. Put your bills on top of that. Let's say it's 185 pounds plus 30. It's less than 200 whatever, 220, 230 quid a month for your bills in and to live here, fully furnished. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I'm assuming that everyone thinks this is good value for money, because it obviously is. And most of these apartments around us in this apartment building are empty. Like, we don't have a neighbor. There's one at the other side, and these buildings are at least half empty. But that's not bad for us because it keeps the price low, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you think. Living the dream. It's pretty cool.
Eating in bed.
Yeah, I can use chopsticks. Pretty good.
Eating in bed.
Bye.